Truth, the guiding light. Respected principal, teachers, and dear students, today I stand before you to talk about a virtue that defines our character, builds trust, and paves the way for a meaningful life. Truth. Truth is not just a word, it is a way of life. It is the foundation of all virtues and the essence of integrity. Speaking the truth and standing by it is a reflection of our courage and honesty. It may not always be easy, but it is the right thing to do. The great Mahatma Gandhi once said, "Truth is God, and God is truth." This powerful statement emphasizes how truth connects us to higher values and gives us the strength to face any situation. Dear friends, truthfulness brings peace of mind. When we speak the truth, we have nothing to fear, nothing to hide. A truthful person gains the respect and trust of others. As the saying goes, honesty is the best policy. However, in today's world, where deceit and dishonesty often overshadow honesty, standing up for the truth requires courage. It may lead to temporary challenges, but ultimately it paves the way for long-lasting respect and success. Let me share an inspiring example. Our own freedom fighters stood firm in their truth about justice and independence, even in the face of immense hardships. Their unwavering commitment to truth brought us the freedom we cherish today. As William Shakespeare wisely said, "No legacy is so rich as honesty." Indeed, the legacy of truthfulness is the greatest wealth one can possess. In conclusion, truth is like a torch that illuminates our path in the darkest of times. Let us strive to embrace it in every aspect of our lives. Remember, speaking the truth may sometimes be difficult, but it is always rewarding. Thank you.